onto West.
When sat-nav brings you the wrong way.
Again.
Animal Kingdom. We were meant to be going to, but we've come to
The back end of Animal Kingdom.
the back side of the water. Look, all the plants over there.
Right. Plants. Wrong way.
It's not my fault. JP was blaming me.
You were the one in control of sat-nav.
I typed in Animal
In
Kingdom.
280 yards, turn left.
Did you type in Disney's Animal Kingdom?
Oh, look at those pretty flowers.
Did you type in Disney's Animal Kingdom?
I just typed in Animal Kingdom, like I normally just type in
Turn
Epcot.
left, then
Looks
turn
like
right.
Epcot.
Like when I type in Epcot, it just goes to Epcot.
It's just taking me in a circle.
Everybody, how you doing? Right, work's done. We're here to play. That's JP with his work phone though. As I say, work's done. Come on, JP. We're off to play at Animal Kingdom. It's beautifully breezy today. It's 80, 81.
82, 83 it was.
Yeah,
Get
and
fluctuating
it's just
too.
so breezy, it's luscious. So let's go see what we can get up to. Look for some merch, get a Starbucks, go do safari. They agree.
Holders. So your phone has the lid sucked in, your app has the lid sucked in.
Thank you. Do you want to stand so you can do the straw?
And then we can get
I have no hands. Oh yeah. Fox gave us this drink, which was meant to be a pistachio latte, cold, and it didn't taste of it. So we went back. They've already done it. This is 100% pistachio. We know our pistachios. If you know us, we're Starbucks queens and kings. Pistachio! Yes, pistachio. Pistachio. Right, so we're gonna put some cold ice in these, because what we tend to do is don't ask for them with ice and then get a separate ice water. Then you get more of the drink. So then we just add the ice to the drink.
Down here.
Yeah.
It's kind of nice.
Top tip from us. Get an ice water and then put the ice in yourself.
Once you've drunk it down.
Yeah, right. We're gonna take this and see how long the safari is.
It to pick up things like venomous snakes. They'll find one on the ground, pick it up, shake it around, and slurp it back like spaghetti. It's disgusting.
Ew.
And there goes a ground hornbill at top speed. Show off how cool she can fly.
All right, so she's gonna figure it out. You guys are now realizing where she's flying. I love the people moving out of the way. That's nice. And look at that! Round of applause for our trees. You guys are awesome. Thank you. Fact number one: those aren't owls.
No, and chickens, owls,
Yep.
they're not like friends.
Nope.
The whole circle of life. That's not us. That's over there. So I'm gonna make sure these girls get home safe. Okay, bye.
Okay, chickens are gonna be fine with Ray. We are gonna meet an owl today. His name is Quetty. Quetty is a milky eagle owl. Headed your way. I probably should have mentioned earlier though that if you try to duck to get out of his way, he just flies lower. So now you have that information. But point your cameras out and get some great photos of him in flight.
Groucho, though, he's lived around people his whole life, so he's learned to copy us. Groucho, do you want to say hello?
Hello.
Good job. Yeah, that's some mimicry right off the bat. So out in the wild, parents copy their parents, right? But when they live around us, they start to copy us. And Groucho's probably one of the best mimickers in the entire world. I'm really hoping he wants to show off a little bit this afternoon. What do you say, Groucho? Will you share what we've been working on? Uh-huh. Go ahead. He's buffering.
Amazing. right? I got something for you.
Okay.
It's behind that rock right there. It's a little present. So, like we said, these are crown cranes. They get their name from the crown of golden feathers on their head. So I thought Scott could make a better connection if he had his own crown of golden feathers.
They don't want to see me wear this hat.
Do y'all want to see Scott wear a hat?
They might want to see me wear a hat.
Oh my goodness. Welcome to the stage, Guy Fieri!
Nice.
Okay, but seriously, I think it's gonna work. He's gonna look at you, see your beautiful new crown, and then he'll fly right over. We'll make a crane connection.
All right.
Here it comes.
That would be an awesome sight to see, right? And there are so many birds out there with their own incredible stories. Like this one with Adam. That is a harpy eagle. That's one of the largest, strongest predatory birds, so we don't talk about him.
Everyone, go out in nature, explore, have your own adventures. You might just find your own favorite animal.
Very well said. Well, on behalf of all of us here, including our feathered friends, we want to leave you with one final wish.
Ooh. Cute. How much are they?
All the bags are done.
Oh, yeah. How much are these though? These are all cute.
No, because she's not like a big
These are some fun t-shirts. $24.99. Ooh, Disney, your prices are coming down. Yeti for anyone. Yeah, babe. Nope. Isn't it cute? Very cute. Yeah, so the backpacks are gone. Shame. Told you we should have got them. I told you we should have got them. We had loads of opportunities to get one, and you didn't do it. Oh my gosh, you're so funny. Oh, it's a bit crooked, but that way, yeah. They're gonna start the music. They're gonna start.
Somebody coming behind you. Stop!
Stop!
Come alive with a dazzling kite sleigh filled with
Wait.
interactive guides. We now invite you to find us and enjoy all the colorful wonders.
Apparently, 5 minutes. So we're going on it. We are working our way to Safari, but we got sidetracked.
Period. It stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. Original passenger, extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me.
I love the fact that some people still haven't ridden this. It's like their first ride, and they don't know. And they see that video upstairs, and they're like, "Oh, there was a little girl freaking out. Going, no, I'm not riding it. I'm not riding it." We've been riding it for 20 odd years, and it's still exactly the same. The only thing they changed is they put padding in the seats. The seats now have padding, thankfully.
Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
Very cute. Happy JP! I just turned that on and JP was being rude.
Come along, Copperfield.
Not PG at all. Happy! $9.99. $4.99. $24.99. I do think Disney reduced their prices.
How much is it?
$24.99.
Yeah, they had
They used to be like $34.99.
at a lower price.
Yeah, lower priced. So good. Hold it, and there's another one. $24.99. Watch the outfits. $59.99. Oh look, so cute. Oh look. Oh wow. $1 for the new drinks bottle. Oh look, all of the merch coming out. Wow. Or some of the old merch.
Their horns kind of lay flat and backwards. That's going to help them move through the forest. Or greater kudu. All three of those kudu are female. Sitting in front of that island. And there was another kind of behind the island you may see when we go around. Now the hippos are going to spend their day down in the water. Hippos have very sensitive skin, so they're going to stay down in the water when the sun is out to help prevent sunburns. They have extremely strong jaws too. They can chew into bone really easily. That large wildebeest herd. Farmers crop safe and they can sell the honey. A win-win for them, but most importantly, the elephants are kept away in a safer manner that does not hurt them. We are right in the middle of the tower. A tower is what a group of giraffe is called. The largest but the lightest colored pink of all flamingo species. And they get that pink color from the briny shrimp that hold herd developments. And when we round the corner, we're going to find a whole crash of white rhinos. They can run really fast, 30, 35 miles per hour. It's pretty big, pretty fast for that size. So by the time they see something when they're running, they've already crashed into it. That's the right time. He just came back out.
Animal Kingdom done. We are now going to go off and get some food. We're peacock and butterfly. That was fun. I did. I nearly got run over. So that was really fun. That was just a few hours at Animal Kingdom. We did safari. We did the dinosaur.
Yeah, we did a load of walking.
We could have done Pandora, but we didn't really want...
tons of coffee.
Oh my gosh, those coffees were huge and very heavy on the belly. So I think we're going to go down to Disney Springs now and get some food, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, sorry if I'm bouncing, hit subscribe, like, notification bell. I'll catch you next time.